This key set honors one of the most long-lasting and cherished trading card games out there. This game has been around for decades now, and we wanted to celebrate with our partners at Keys something special to commemorate it on our desk. It is officially licensed from Wizards of the Coast, has that OG first edition, all of the unique markings and symbols from the very original release. And that is, of course, Magic the Gathering Classic right here with Infinity Key. There are still some units left online in the link in the description, so be sure to pick up your set while you still can.